Hi everyone, I'm Hillary Ryan with the Blue Coast team at Blue Coast Realty, and today we're talking summer fun right here in Sarnia-Lambton. Specifically, where to find all the best splash pads in our area. If you're a parent like me, you know when the hot weather hits, we're always looking for an easy way to keep the kids cool and entertained. Splash pads are such a great free way to do that. And the good news is we've got a ton of them around here. So let's dive in. Let's start right in Sarnia on Russell Street South. You'll find the splash pad at Tecumseh Park, right beside a playground and a seasonal pool. Over in Point Edward, there's a great splash pad, steps from the waterfront and playgrounds, and such a scenic little spot. In Brights Grove, you'll find a lakeside splash pad that's perfect for picnics and catching those lake breezes in Kenwick Park. Now let's head into Lambton County, where smaller communities have really stepped up with awesome local spots. In Corunna, check out 420 Colburn Street, the splash pad and playground tucked in a friendly, family-friendly neighborhood. And Courtright has a great splash pad at 1578 3rd Street. And over in Sombra, you can cool off at 152 Smith Street. If you're heading towards the river, Port Lambton, right on the St. Clair Parkway, offers not only a splash pad and playground, but beach access right along the St. Clair River. It's a hidden gem. Brigden has one too, right next to a quiet park and playground. Same goes for Wilkesport, where you'll find a splash pad and play area. In Forest, head over to Rotary Road and Victoria Street, great places for kids to run around. Grand Bend, just down the highway, of course, has a splash pad at 90 Main Street West. And let's be honest, between the playground, the shops, the beach, right there, you could spend the whole day with your family. The town of Thedford has one, and Arcona Splash Pad is a great spot for families with younger kids. In Wyoming, there's a splash pad, pool, and playground all in one spot. As a mom and a realtor, I love sharing this kind of information because these are the things that make Sarnia-Lambton such a wonderful place to call home. It's not just about the houses, it's about the lifestyle, the community, and the everyday experiences that brings joy to local families. If you're looking for a home close to one of these splash pads or just want to learn more about the neighborhoods in our area, reach out anytime. I'd love to help you find the perfect spot. I'm Hillary Ryan with the Blue Coast team at Blue Coast Realty. Thanks for watching, and here's to a splashy, sunny summer in Sarnia-Lambton.